So we are live now. Isa ito sa pinakaantay na bakbakan ngayong gabi. As the last three-pointer is being executed there by the fearless Jefferson Damasco. Magandang matchup ito, Kuya Ryan.
Yes, but of course, Los Baños scored the first basket, and on that dive, had a time foul.
So, two teams undefeated with a 2-0 standing in our elimination in this conference. Muli po, Dave sa Pinoso, kasama si Kuya Ryan Pajaro. Kasama natin din dyan sa side ng Rizal. Itong si Oro, Damasco, Pitarge, Garcia, at Munoz. Kontra naman yan sa nagkakaisang Los Baños lineup. We're gonna be JB Rejano, Galang, Lakap, Henil, at etong si Tamisin.
And after that free throw, mayroong violation doon ng Los Baños. And of course, Rizal, by the way, is one of the barangays in Calamba.
So, konting Pasiano, no, it is Rizal Laguna.
Rizal Laguna.
You're talking about Pasiano Rizal.
Municipality pala siya.
Yeah, municipality.
Okay, just a correction.
So ito, konting key matchup discussion lang. Kasi last time, San Pablo versus Rizal, Jade or Enteng Reyes, the Enteng Cabizote, with a 26-point performance para sa Rizal Laguna, yun yung unang panalo nila. I mean, ikalawang panalo nila kontra San Pablo. Alan Lakap will very long one 3-point routine sa atin ng Cobra Rides, Swabbing Energy.
So nagpe-press dito ang Los Baños.
Oro for 3. Sumagot ito si Josh. JMO will take it too strong for him. And now everybody is running towards the basket. Walang kumuha eh.
And we have a overflow crowd here at the Barangay Batong Malaki covered court.
Tamisin. May iniinda agad si Jabesh dun sa kanyang kanang balikat. Mukhang natuunan eh.
That's what happened when he wanted to throw that pass. Ayun, nagkaroon na overextended on his shoulder.
And now CJ will be in there to replace him. Pitarge working against JB. Almost stolen by Genil. But this time, here comes the Fearless. Trying to drop it with Munoz.
And look at the defense of Los Baños. There's double team, there's triple team in every ball player ng Rizal.
Alan Lakap as well. Pag-usapan natin, siya yung nag-buzzer beating floater. So many of our fans know already Alan Lakap. How about that reverse coming from Lozano?
You know, as the gain experience for Los Baños, nakikita natin that these players are clutch performers. They got a steal.
That was Davis Almanzarado. JB with a beauty.
Auspicious start for the home team.
Justin Brian Rejano with a 7-point lead against those guys in Rizal. Timeout muna tayo rito sa mga naka-asul.
Ang sarap, grabe. Chill ka lang, dumiskarte. Kung tumingin, so suabe. New Cobra Rice, Swabbing Energy.
Iverson gumana, iwanang babantay sa'yo. Fake sabay rekta, quick release ang banat parang sa Kerry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama.
Coach VJ Doldolao is looking for an awesome momentum for Rizal as they're down by 7 here, 10-3. Nasa ating puntalaan, less than 6.5 minutes.
And by the way, partner, that last timeout was brought to you by Cobra Rice, Swabbing Energy, tunay na lakas.
Yung dinagdagan pa ni Kuya Ryan. Tunay na lakas. Siyempre, Cobra din yun eh. Sabi nga nila, under ng Cobra tong Cobra Rice, pero medyo light lang ito. 75% cafe. Parang less than 25%. Hinel. We'll try to light it up this time. Ginamit na ni Coach 3J, si Enteng Cabizote. And we're talking about Vincent Reyes, the Fearless with a triple. Pangalawang attempt coming from Damasco. Di umubra. JB will feed Allen. Napalakas. 3 people trying to put it back. Kaso sa ikalawang attempt, wala pa rin. Lakindanom up the secondary! Sabit sila ka.
Well, that time, there's no choice for Rizal but to have a counter-attack because the Los Baños team always loading over in every facet of the game. Defense, assists, transition play, and even blocks.
Well, maganda naman yung transition on the side of JB. Yun nga lang, pagdating niya dun sa ilalim, dahil kanina nasuklo. Napansin natin may early injury itong si Justin Brian Rejano. Mukhang nagkakaroon ng problema pag le-layup niya na sa basket.
But the better part of valor here for Rizal Laguna partner is that they are a better free throw shooting team. Los Baños shooting 71%, but Rizal team is shooting 80%.
JB, katapat niya itong si Oro Rejano. Hinahanap si Lakap. Working against Lakindanom. Allen puts it up. Pangalawang atake na yan ni Lakap. Mukhang na-deny siya. Oh, first steal for JB. And now they wanna go with CJ. Ito na. Two mighty masses of Los Baños.
And look at that. He takes flight literally.
The Fearless with the drop. Oh, look at Garcia. Barreling his way through. Pinagpag na etong si CJ.
Kanina, nung nagwawamap siya, puro siya dakdak eh.
Well, one of the great rebounders natin kasama sa top 10 rebounders of the conference.
Yeah.
Garcia. Pride of Rizal. There's a steal. And now, the Fearless will wait for Lakindanom. Inangat ulit kay Jeff. Lakindanom, pinaglaruan na yung dalawang defender ng Los Baños.
Give and go and give it back.
And just like that, nakababa na sa 3 puntos ang hinahabol dito ng mga taga Rizal. Damasco almost steals it away from Henil as Eric hangs in the air.
Akala niya he will just drive it, then suddenly he takes flight.
Top scorer naman itong si Eric Jan Henil. He's part of the top 10 scorers or leading scorers. As Davis Almasa wanna teach him some lesson. Emil Libornia wanna teach him some lesson on that. Maginoo pero medyo bastos.
That's a towering block if I ever saw one.
Medyo nalito tayo dyan. Davis Almanza is inside the floor now. Together with Libornio, Rejano, Henil at Escobin. Here comes the Enteng.
That's a foul.
He picks up a foul. So muli po, naka-live tayo sa ating official Facebook page, ang Velvet South Basketball. Binabati po ulit ng buong Velvet South Basketball and Velvet Media family ang ating mga senador, Senator Rodante Marcoleta, Senator Bongo, Senator Bato de la Rosa, and of course, yung mga sinuporta natin the last inter-barangay series in San Pablo kay Konsyala Carmela Acevedo, Konsyala Barbie Diaz, and Konsyal John Adahar. Congratulations for winning this election day. Talagang mga butihing lingkod bayan na talagang hindi sumusuporta sa sports.
At saka si Senator Bongo, partner, he is the current Senate Committee Chairman on Sports. That's why.
Yes. Kaya talagang mahal na mahal ni Senator Bongo yan. Eric Jan. Back to Davis. Pushes it through.
Outside sniping of Los Baños. Perfect.
Absolute perfection. Para dito sa LB and they're up by 6, 17-11. Enteng. Para get away from CJ Reyes. Hinahanap sa doon but Garcia. Pero inabot na agad.
That's right. And that's going to be another foul.
And Libornio whistled for that foul.
And that's his second personal partner.
Pangalawa na para kay Emil. Later on, magkakaroon tayo ng konting halftime interview. No? Siyempre sa mga organizers natin for having us, use this wonderful venue. Napakaganda po ng Batong Malaki covered court. First time ko ata dito eh.
Talaga. Ako rin. First time ko sa Velvet South actually.
Here comes Oro, dropping it to the yung huli ni Almanza. Pero nakakita ng angulo.
Pushing and shoving inside.
Pintes na si Yuan. Ends up with him. Here comes Senil. Extra pass to Davis.
It's a foul.
Paika-ika si Oro nung muntik niya ng tumbalo, mukhang napuwersa si Josh Matthew, ha?
That's why he will be replaced because what happened there after the pass of Pal, natapakan niya yung isang player ng Los Baños.
Well, great play kasi on the side of Rizal, nakasama yung Oro dyan.
That's
Buong
right.
triangle offense nila together with Reyes
Ooh.
and Garcia. Now let's see how Coach 3J
It's a basket by Velasco actually.
would cope with this situation right now. And thanks for 3. Kapos yun. O Pumar, tawala din sa kanya after he almost gets that board. Here comes CJ. Out to Eric. And Henel spins space.
Oh!
Eric John Henel just take it over.
Spin cycle.
Malinis na ikot yun. Malinis na pihit. Uh-oh, take it away by Yuan. Here comes the Henel brothers. And that's a miss.
Tinatawag na Matt and Jep brother combination. So that's the 14th foul for Los Baños. Si hindi lang tinawagan ng foul dahil si Spurs.
Franz Yuan on his first personal. Less than 1.5 minutes. Si Enteng bantay sarado siya rito ni CJ. And it keeps on pushing CJ away para magkaroon siya ng distansya as Lakindanum again.
And he was creeping the arm.
Dalawang foul na ata maitatawag kontra kay Henil.
Yes, second personal. So we have 2 players for Los Baños already with 2 fouls. So this is what Los Baños, they can play aggressive, they can play straight up defense, but giving up too many fouls, it will backfire for Los Baños down the stretch.
Well, speaking of that, nakausap ko nga si Coach Tick yung inaasahan niya rito, yes, it is in Los Baños, pero hindi dapat sila pwedeng magpakampante having those guys na patuloy na rumaratsyada dyan. Kasi yung depensa pa rin, yung isang pinag-iingatan dito ni Coach Tech Boyles. Katulad ito nangyayari ngayon, 2 personal foul agad nakuha ni Henil.
Kumbaga in barangay terms, Dave, huwag kayong takaw foul.
Franz Yuan. Igor Torrejano, CJ. Hiningi na yan. Ito si Escobin. He will give it back to Almanza. Hinahanap niya si Yuan. Cross-court pass, 6 to shoot. Henil nabitin.
Uh-oh. Ooh.
As Jai Galope.
So it's already out of bounds. You know, if the ball will go to Los Baños, that will be a shot clock violation.
Violation.
But it's
Tumulog na
now
yung buzzer.
56 seconds remaining. It's a 9-point lead for Los Baños, 21-12.
100 plus attendees. Siguro mga nasa 500 tayo dito sa loob.
At meron pa sa labas.
Labas, pati pa yung mga nanonood sa ating official Facebook live stream, ha? 5 to shoot. Here comes the Enteng Cabizote. Back to Garcia. The jumper is good para kay Garcia. Ano sa maganda rito, may shooting.
Yes, he beats the shot clock.
Lakap Torrejano. CJ lights it up.
And look at this, Los Baños, 4 out of 5 from 3-point range. 80% shooting.
Tuloy-tuloy yan. Lakindanum and Damasco having some miscommunication on that pass.
You know, sometimes it happens in Cleveland Cavaliers. Maganda ang kanilang first half shooting, pero pagdating sa fourth quarter, that's the big question. If they can do it down the stretch.
Oo, yung sustainability pa rin yung pinag-uusapan natin. Tinitingnan natin dito. 8 to shoot. CJ lost it. And ends up with him. Huli ni Lakindanum, but Escobin will try to put it back. There's not enough time para dito sa LB. They are up by 10 points in the first quarter. Tignan natin ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng Rizal pagpatak ng second quarter. Kung babalik po ang Velvet Intertown 2025.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Velvet D-League Basketball Liga 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 Liga.
Sumabay, na tumalon, di na ko tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-oops ng lupet, musot-mot, pasok sa kalawang balikan na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet D-League Basketball Liga.
Okay, mag-uumpisa na po na tayo sa second quarter. We end this first quarter in a very close to fourth encounter. Los Baños up so far, rather by 10, 24-14. Lion para po kasama si Dave Espinoso for the main encounter of your Laguna Velvet South Basketball.
Alam mo, nakikinig ako kanina last game. It sounds like we are in the PBA pa rin talaga. Iba ang combination ng Kuya Ryan and Kuya Dave. Kaya natutuwa yung karamihan sa mga fans natin. Once again,
Kuya Dave,
maraming
of course,
salamat.
Kuya Dave, of course, ang kanyang idol si Magumadjo. Not ako yours truly, Ryan Paro. My idol is two, Joe Cantada and Andy Howe.
Ayan, ating Dr. J. Muli po, binabati namin ng happy viewing ating sports commissioner. In honor of the Velvet Media, Cap JJ Magirang po. Ladies and gentlemen, Pitarge trying to use the angle. Garcia found it.
At siyempre, kasama din ang kanyang anak, ang kanyang wife.
Of course, Maming Evelyn. Na talaga natutuwa sa mga nakikita niyang napapanood niyang laban. No? Yung dalawa.
Certified driver.
Escobar for 3. Oh, Aljan delivers the pain.
What a first half for Los Baños. 5 of 6 shooting for 3-point country.
So let us see Escobar will feed CJ of the reverse.
5-0 counter run for Los Baños.
That is a 5 unanswered points coming from LB. At dahil dyan, nakaabante na sila ng 13. Lakindanom to Pitarge. Extra pass to Jade. Vincent will try to cut it back to Garcia. Kaso tumama dun sa isang taga. LBSU finally delivers the score.
It's now 7-0 run, and this time Rizal, that's 3 straight turnovers for them.
Tinotodo na ng LB dito yung kanilang momentum. And as much as they can, they want to push it to even further. Uh-oh!
Nadagdagan pa ng offensive foul.
Napahiga si Rehano doon.
So the offensive foul will be whistled against number 29, Lakindanom. His first personal.
Reyes, Reyes and Hinil. Mukhang nagkakainitan na agad doon, ha? Terasi as knock-up secures it home.
Biggest lead for Los Baños now at 17, 33-16.
That is the highest lead na maitatala nitong LB. The fearless up the secondary. He feeds Lakindanom and one para sa kanya.
Pero Lakindanom, kailangan bawas-bawasan niya konting init ng ulo, but then take a look at this replay. When he sees an opening, he finds Lakindanom with a good bounce pass, and it will be a 3-point play opportunity.
Yung pa yung mainit ang ulo, may composure pa din.
Kasi nga, importante, lalo na pag naghahabol ka, kapag bata ka, kailangan mai-provide mo sa team na kaya natin ko ito. Especially in the payoff period, if you got the momentum, if you got the defensive stance, then this 17 or 19-point lead will be wiped off.
Aljan wanna find out narrow space.
Nangyari na kasi yan sa NBA, lalo na sa Cleveland, sa New York. Kapag lamang ang Boston o lamang ang Cleveland, bumabalik ang Indiana at New York, nananalo pa.
Hinil with a nice inbound. Mukhang kinapo sa pwesto. He opted to pull it from deep. Hands up with Rehano. Andun talaga yung knockout na sandali for Cyrus Rehano.
It's the first miss of Los Baños from 3-point country. And that
fearless drives inside.
What a counter attack by Rizal. Yan kailangan nila, pero they can't afford to trade baskets, partner.
Well, Jefferson Damasco together with Justin Yoch Glorioso and Mark Lawrence Piana, they are former teammates.
Yes. They really know each other too well.
Well, magpapangharap sila sa kabuyaw na Henil. Misses. Lakindanom. Para sa board, hinahanap niya agad si Pitarge. And now here comes the big guy slicing through the middle.
Well, unti-unti nakakakuha na ng rhythm ang Rizal. And now, that's the second straight miss for Los Baños from 3-point country.
Siguro yun yung naisip na option dito ni Coach Ray J. Yung gamitin ko yung malalaki ko para At least pa 2 points, mabawasan natin yung kalamangan na yan.
Especially pag nagmimitis ng Los Baños outside.
Enteng Cabezote! Gets the basket because some of them foul!
And what about that? Reyes bailing man out with a spin. Take a look at this replay from the secondary break. Reyes double team. He drives, he spins, he puts it up. Heard the whistle, fades away, and he hits it off the glass.
That's an half step ba yun?
Oh.
Enteng Cabezote mo yun, sabi ni Jade Reyes.
And that's what you call weaving your magic. No? 3-point play completed.
So, Vincent Reyes.
So
With a
partner.
3-point play, hatid sa atin yan ng
Yeah.
Cobra Rise. Swapping energy.
It's a 3-point shot. So that they are now 7 of 11 from 3-point range. That's Los Baños.
Mataas talaga yung percentage nila. Oro will try to answer. Naipit. Enteng. Almost pull his trigger. Oro. Back to Enteng. Pitarge naman. Tiubra. Ends up with Damasco. And now Oro kinalabit.
Two players now gang up each other, and the referees need to control that. We don't want any untoward incident here in Velvet.
Oh, Garcia and Tamis.
All right, the players and the Rizal team and Los Baños team, they need to separate each other as the referees will review the last play.
I know it was Allen who was pushed away by Damasco.
Yeah, after that Anspo pa, nagkaroon pa ng girian after that. So the referees will review that action.
O mukhang umahawak si Allen doon sa guso niya. O sa labi niya eh. Medyo namumula ata.
So that's why the Rizal team and Los Baños team needs to go back to the bench so that they can cool their heels while the referees are reviewing the last play.
Down to 13 points ito. And muli po, pinasasalamatan namin ang ating mga sponsors, especially AG Sports Apparel, the official outfitter of the Velvet Media Productions. Kasama rin po dyan ang mga konsihal ng bayan na nanalo po ng election day.
That's right.
Sa San Pablo. Mga sinuportahan po tayo ng interbarangay. Siyempre, na-promote din natin sila. And hopefully, nanalo
And of course, yung kasama natin sponsor, Blue Steel Corporation.
Yeah, Blue Steel Enterprise, build, create, inspire.
And of course, yung every time out, yung Cobra Rice.
Yeah. Natikman mo ba yung Cobra Rice?
Hindi pa.
Naku, hindi maganda sa puso yung caffeine. Bawal ba sa yung kape, partner?
Okay lang, pero ano lang, in moderation. Only 25%.
Pero kasi pag mga energy drink, alam ko hindi na pwede yan sa lalo yung medyo may
Kasi pag
problema
may palpitation, yeah.
Oo. Lalo yung may problema sa kanilang cardiovascular
Exactly.
health.
Saka pag umiidad ka ng katulad kong 44, 45, you need to maintain your
Good
body.
thing, 27 lang po ang inyong lingkod.
So, 17 anyos ang
13
ating
years.
agwat.
13
Take a look
years
at this
pa.
replay, partner. So, here's the 3-point shot. Tinan mo yung girian sa loob, ha? There's a Shabi. Oh! He had that elbow. Then after that inspection, let's continue to play. Ayan, nagkaroon pa ng girian ng dalawa. Yes, so nagkatitigan sila. So, possibly, these two players na nagkatitigan, they might be given a warning or technical. So, let's see that again on the other angle.
Well, malinaw yung pagkakasiko ni magtama nung siko ni Garcia doon sa nguso
Direct,
nila.
can we continue? Yeah, yan. Let's see that on the other angle. Let's see this, ha? So, ito yung play. Ito yung tira. Look at the inside play na nagkaroon gina. Ayun, sumiko. Kanan. So, that's unsportsmanlike.
There's no
Now,
contact
after
with
that,
Tami.
ayun, nagkaroon pa ng bomb. And then, nagkaroon pa sila ng taunting. So, possible technical. That's right. Let's see that again on the other angle so that the referees will have it and the referees are gonna decide.
Kapalitan ng tama ng siko. Pero one thing that is clear there, yung pagpihit niya, tumama talaga yung siko. And let us see if our officials would treat that as intentional movement.
And I think that will be
Against Garcia.
unsportsmanlike.
Tumama lang naman yung siko eh. Let us wait for the finality nitong Kaya pala humahawak sa nguso si Allen. Tinamaan sila kap eh.
Yes.
Under 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining here in the first half. Pero magugulat ka, JB Rejano was too small. And yet, he wanna engage himself into some sort of action with Garcia.
So it will be technical and it will be an unsportsmanlike foul ni number 10 ng Rizal.
Well, mas mabigat yung anspo.
That's right. So this is the foul from the act of shooting, and then on the other side, it will be Anspo. So Los Baños will get the 14-second shot clock possession. So yung number 10 player ng Rizal, upo muna siya for 3 minutes.
Well, mukhang hindi maganda on the side of Coach Ray J. Dudolo because he needs Garcia, one of, you know, the best defender that he might have inside. Dahil nga, siya ang nangunguna sa top 10 blockers natin in the league.
Oo. Kasi ganito mga partner, di ba nagkaroon ng Anspo? So on that Anspo, sumala ng patas, nagkaroon ng konting girian. If that girian will result to the technical, number 10 will be out. Kasi if you have one Anspo and one technical foul, kung halimbawa, the referees will call a technical foul on that person, he will be out of the game.
Yes, technically, tama ba? Technically, two technicals yun.
One technical, one Anspo, you're out. It will be game disqualification for you. Kaya yun ang kinaklaro ng ating referees. Kasi now, malinaw na Anspo. Now, on that technical side, if number 10 player will be retained or not.
So this time, Alan Lackup is about to deliver those free throws.
So this is for the Anspo.
He takes the first one. Medyo namumula-mula yung gusto ni Allen eh. Yun ang tinamaan kanina.
So partner, just to set things clear, ang decision ng referee nung nangyari nung sa Girian, they both have given warnings for taunting. So he was spared. Muntik na siyang matro, not parts.
So plus the ball possession, now LB with an 11-point lead here, 40-29. And Neil is free, and he takes it to the other side.
What a pass. You find that open guy under duress.
Well, knowing na kaya ipasok ni Henil yun doon sa kaliwa, doon pa niya sa kanan pinadaan yun eh.
And look at Los Baños really playing great transition defense.
Yes. Seguro Laquindano, here comes Oro. Pulls up 3-3. Doesn't work. Ends up with JB. They handle bullet bounce. Hinahanap niya si Henil. And just like that, tumaob yung harang dun. Ganun ba kalakas yung pagkakabato dun ni Rejano? Parang pera shot put eh.
Pag ganun talaga, pag lalo-lalo na kung yung malaking kamay mo, kaya mo i-grip ang bola. If you can throw that pass like that, it might even shatter that.
Here comes the result. Jade working against JB. Puts it up. The Fearless trying to keep it alive. Napunta ulit kay Rejano. Ito na LB. Atake na JB all the way to the cup.
I thought that last drive, there's a foul before that shot, but the referees let it go.
Well, ito yung sinasabi na dadaga sila rito ng dalawang Rejano. Nagulat naman si Damasco sa pasa. Coach J would like to burn his last time in the first half. Under 4 minutes remaining, 44-29 lamang ang LB.
Sa ito ay Tuloy na lang dikdikan to, coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'.
So yung mga nanonood sa ating official Facebook page, we are having now 730 plus viewers. Maraming salamat po. Pagbatian mula sa Velvet Media family.
Thank you very much for watching.
Oh, the
Wow.
fearless hands in the air on that flip. Pumawi si Allen. Napalakas yun. Tabasco for the board. As JB tries to steal it away from him. Gumulong na itong si Rehano. Imagine gaano siya ka-focus kumuha ng steals.
And that focus, it should be maintained until the end of the game because your stamina will be a big factor like what I explained a while ago.
Yan, binabati po namin si Joel Villapando. Binabati daw niya si Ives Magic Dopans. Rafael Villapando. Magandang gabi po sa inyo and happy viewing. Shoutout na rin kay Jun Michael Aliwales and also kay Coach Dato Villena na nanonood ngayon. Oro finds Damasco. Extra pass pa kay Laking Dadum.
And now it's Rizal's turn to score assist there and they almost got a steal.
Locked up. Lays it home.
Oh, what a move. That's a basket by Pitarque.
Nope. Pitarque up the secondary. Uh-oh, there's a steal again. And this time, CJ will find Eric. Back to JB. Mula sa gitna.
Yes!
Stop pa yun para kay Rehano.
He parting the Red Sea.
This guy is in slow-mo, pero alam niya kung saan niya ipapatong yung isa pang paa niya eh. Para makakuha pa ng distansya eh. Allen, back to Henil.
Showtime!
Ang LB! Giving a showtime!
LB on the run. And so far for Rizal team partner, they didn't know what hit them. They have 8 turnovers on that stretch and they allow Los Baños to score 10 unanswered. From a 5-point lead partner, now back to 15. Reyes makes both free throws, partner.
50-37, that is a 13-point lead. Oh, look at that layup. And this time, PJ Galang is entering the floor for LB.
Oh boy.
Sumali na rin doon sa 2-point party.
We cannot count how many steals does Los Baños had. And they really all over Rizal. They keep on pressing and they keep on hustling.
Laking Dadum. Negro Oro. 13 seconds on the shot clock. So JB, when I asked for a review here, pero hindi mo gagamit doon. Ito si Coach Tech. The fearless puts it up. He wanna tip it back.
Alam mo partner, masyado pa maaga. Yung challenge, mas maganda gamitin natin na pag down the stretch na.
Well, gusto talaga yung paglaban ni JB doon na wala siyang kontak. Babawi, etong si PJ. He finds Allen. Kapos. Heads up with Galang. That's good.
Now back to our biggest lead of Los Baños, 17 points, 54-37. 1 minute to go, first half.
Yes. Ooh! And
Wow!
Kabisote move na naman para kay Jade Reyes.
Another Pinoy step.
So dahil Pinoy si Enteng Kabisote, that's an Enteng Kabisote move again.
Oo nga, no? Dinaig pa si Principe K.
Oh. Big side step and that power move ay hatid po sa atin ng Cobra Rise, swabbing energy. Galang will having a contact with Lakindanom there.
You know, speaking of swabbing, Los Baños had a swabbing first half. Already scored 54 points. Actually, in this tournament, they are number 2 in scoring at the average of almost 90 points per game. So, masusubukan sa free throw ang Los Baños. They're second to the last in the free throw percentage with only 67% as a team. Spin Charities there. Lead is 16. Bola na ngayon ng Rizal.
Garcia to Damasco, and now the big guy will push. No one gets away to defend him.
Palagi ko nagko-concept siya ng energy. Second half, he will explode. There's a foul from the backcourt.
So yun yung sinasabi ko kay Ryan na malaking tulong ng Garcia sa Rizal. Without him in the floor, medyo nahihirapan talaga sa offense.
Oo, mababao ng Rizal pag wala siya.
Davis Almanza.
And he needs to cool his temper.
16-point lead para sa LB. The Fearless, 6 to shoot. Between, finding Oro, JMO at the buzzer!
Ooh. And you still have 3/10 of a second. 3/10.
Baltasar whistle for that foul. Oh, was that Baltasar o si Moran?
It's Moran.
Oh, si Ruchi. Parehas kasi sila ng gupit ni Baltasar.
Okay.
Mamaya pag nakita mo si Baltasar, halos parehas sila ng gupit ni Ruchi.
Well, di na malayo naman siya kay Justin Baltasar.
Kasi naka-pink si Justin eh.
Kaya pala, parang Radman lang. Okay, that's it.
What a second half. Oh, first half rather.
First half.
As the LB establishing a 16-point lead. Halftime break muna tayo mga ka-Velvet Intertown. Magabalik tayo dahil meron tayong panauwing pandangal ngayong araw.
Foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, get out ulit. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Offensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo.
So dahil halftime break tayo mga ka-Intertown, kasama ko ngayon ang team manager of the nagkakaisang Los Baños. Also one of the organizer natin, kaya nandito tayo ngayon sa Batong Malaki Covered Court in Los Baños, Laguna. Sir Don Philart, Bal! Magandang gabi sa'yo, Bal.
Magandang gabi, magandang.
Kamusta ka ngayong gabi?
Ayos naman, kabado, sobra.
Oo nga eh. Well, Bal, ano ba yung masasabi mo having the nagkakaisang Los Baños join the Intertown and currently 2-0 yung standing nyo at maganda yung pinapakitang performance so far ng mga taga-LB against Rizal.
So far, team effort from the coaches and the players. Kung anong sinasabi ni coach, ginagawa lang ng players. So yun yung parang tingin ko, yun yung key namin. And yung pagsali namin sa Velvet, actually, looking forward pa kami sa mas maraming age bracket na gagawin ni Sir J.J. at ng Velvet para sa Intertown.
What about the live stream, the broadcast, yung libo-libo nating fans na nanonood ngayon sa'yo, ha?
Actually, sobrang fantastic nung coverage. Parang halos pang PBA level na eh. So yan. sobrang galing, sobrang ganda.
Well, of course, kasama natin dyan, ha? Kuya Ryan Paharong, aking partner, ang Doc J ng Velvet, no? Andy Yahao, parang si Andy Yahao yan. And I was out, sounded like Sir Magu. Nabal, bigyan natin ng chance, makapasalamat sa mga gusto nating pasalamatan, ano? Siyempre, sa mga taga Los Baños na sumusuporta sa inyong team ngayon.
Okay. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa napakagandang panahon na binigay sa atin. And second, sa punong bayan punong barangay ng Batong Malaki, Kap Ian Calao, sa pagpapahiram ng court. And of course, konsehal, barangay konsehal ng Batong Malaki, Mark Jan Calao, and si Consi Randel Rizaldo na nag-provide ng food tonight. And of course, sa iba pang tumutulong, si SK Chairperson Vincent Banasihan, and yung mga GIP niya, sila Bien Eusebio, Dominic Villasaya, and sa lahat ng SK na tumutulong lagi yung mga yan, one call away, talagang susuportahan tayo. And also, Raymundo Shirt Printing, si Boss Roque, Isip, na nag-provide of course ng uniform namin and sponsorship. And yung mga kasamahan ko sa Tau Gamma Phi na sa Raymundo chapter, binabati ko kayo. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. And of course sa LBDL, kay Coach Glenn na nandito ngayon, at sa buong LBDL community, family, players, coaches na nanonood. Maraming salamat. And take ko na rin tong opportunity na magpasalamat sa likod ng team namin na nagkakaisang Los Baños. Si Mayora Baby Sumangil, Vice Mayor Marlo Alipon, Konsehal Miko Pellegrina, Konsehal Meg Dizon, and Konsehal Jerwin Molinyawe, Konsehal MJ Ramos, Konsehal Benny Alborida, and Konsehal Gabriel Africa. And sa pamilya ko, maraming salamat sa pag-intindi at pagsuporta sa akin lagi.
Yeah, syempre, yung mga lingkod bayan natin na yan, talaga number one, sumusuporta yan sa larangan ng sports para sa kaligayahan dyan. And syempre, sa growth ng mga kabataan dito sa Los Baños. Once again, syempre,
congrats ko na rin yung bagong mayor ng Los Baños, Mayor Neil Andrew Nocon. Congratulations po.
Yeah, congratulations sa new Mayor-elect Neil Andrew Nocon. And syempre, Sir Don Pilar, thank you so much for this wonderful interview. Magbabalik po ang ating Velvet Intertown. Maya-maya lang po.
Thank you.
Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo kahit mag-risk.
Okay, we're just minutes away of starting this third quarter. Again, thank you so much for that interview, Dave, sa ating special guest, and of course the hospitality of Los Baños is nothing short of amazing. As we about to start the second half, Dave.
So yun nga, medyo marami talaga sumuporta sa LB, especially yung mga binati ni kanilang team manager, Sir Don Pilar Trejano.
It reminds me of Tyrese Halliburton.
Yun, pag nakatira ng tres, titigil muna eh. Nahalik sa akin. Damasco trying to keep it alive himself.
Kaso yung NBA team ko na si Chicago Bulls, di man lang pumasok sa playoffs.
Oo nga.
Pero congrats sa Indiana Pacers. They are now Eastern finalists sa NBA. All that says the ref, I think there's a foul. Very important dito, partner, na yung Rizal, wag silang maging complacent. They should be patient on their plays.
Oro from the left corner. And away from the play, there's a foul again. Uh-oh!
Nako.
Allen pushes Garcia and the rest of the LB players.
There's a lot of technicals and the referees will review it. Maaga pa lang tayo para sa second quarter. Sa second half.
Nakita ko umamba.
Oo. Ang daming fireworks, ang daming extracurricular, Dave.
Oh, CJ. At ito naman, Lakindanom is having some...
And the referees
Mukhang
will
hindi
review that
nagiging
again.
maganda itong laban na ito. Napupuno ito ng kantsawan at asaran eh.
At sa mga ganitong mga liga, importante talaga dito yung crowd control. At maganda pa dito for the Los Baños. My suggestion for the Los Baños people is to have at least some securities, no? Kung nagkakaroon ng girian like this, hindi magkakaroon ng away between the players and the fans or the stands. Kasi nangyayari even sa international basketball, even sa NBA. Ngayon, pinagsasabihan ni ating commissioner si JJ Magirang na host kayo. Huwag kayong magbaboy. You should play as professional as possible.
When was the last time we saw, this kind of heated situation? Sa Pitogo ba? Yung magkasama tayo?
Oo, Pitogo.
Talagang ilang bouncer yun, 6 ata.
Pero sa akin, my experience bago mag-pandemic, naranasan ko yan sa Japan. Grabe, talagang literal na suntukan. 3 or 5 players thrown out.
Well,
they're throwing punches.
Well, syempre, yung mga players natin, in the whole conference, hindi natin maiwasan may mga ganyan talaga nangyayari because, of contacts. Lalo yung medyo dikit and medyo may...
Oo, nangyari pa yun, finals pa. At nangyari yun sa Japan, finals pa. Tapos after nung inauto sila, may mga fans na nagbabato ng bote.
Pero syempre yung mga players natin, lagi pinapaalala ng Velvet South Basketball that this league is always teaching, the players, the coaches, the coaching staff, the production, the referees, the officials, on, how to be professional enough to deal with
good
this kind of
conduct.
situation.
Bilang broadcaster, bilang coach, dapat kailangan natin yung tinatawag na cruise control, seize control.
Well, tayo nga actually, there are some words that we are prohibited to say.
Marami.
Ang dami.
At kaya nga ito, iniimbitahan ko yung mga aspiring broadcasters sa Friday na yan, May 16 to 18, at the SGS building sa Araneta, yung 3-day workshop ni Noel Zarate, the Masterclass PH. In just a few minutes, nakapag-desisyon na nating referees at hintayin natin ang venue announcer for the call. But first, let's see this replay.
So yung ini-inbound to ni Reyes, it was first attempt from Oro.
Tingnan mo yung sa likod.
Ayun, hinahawakan ni Allen yung short doon ni Garcia.
Oo.
And again, for the next time, sumabit na naman yung mukha
Tapos
ni Allen.
Tapos na naman.
Kasi the last time, di ba, parang nadali siya ng siko eh. Medyo lamang sa height si Garcia.
At pag siya ay na-technical kahit isang
yung pagkamba
beses.
ni Allen. Talagang nilapitan na nilakap si Garcia.
Yes, pagka natawagan pa siya ng technical dito, since he has an sportsman-like foul earlier, he will be out of the game. So there are 2 technical fouls for Los Baños. So swerte na naman si Garcia, hindi siya tinawagan. So there are 2 players.
If it happened to be na si Garcia na ng mga technical, ako po, talagang delubyo ito sa part ni Coach Ray J.
Oo. And the good news, yung 2 players na technical, si Lakap and I think si Behara. So 2 players siya. That's why there's 2 technical free throws for second motion. Yun ang nangyari.
So 700 plus viewers in our official Facebook live stream. McRain is inside the floor. Navarez for 3. Tio Obra, Garcia. At si Lakap talaga magkaharap doon, no? As much as possible, Coach Tech wanna test kung anong kayang ibigay ni Garcia on having Allen Lakap inside. Pero look at Allen, he's just smiling. Parang wala nangyari, no?
At para naman sa Rizal, kailangan yung presence ni Garcia because he's averaging close to 10 rebounds per game. Tonight, he has 9 rebounds.
Gandang statistics yun.
Correct. Very
Ayan,
dependable.
pull the trigger. Back to JB. Maquindanao. Intercepted that pass. The Fearless steals it. And now Jade to Laquindanao. And Rizal is now on the attack. Enteng launches it. Dio Obra.
And this time, Rizal slowly but surely started to be aggressive. And I think Rizal is a second half team.
JB. From the outside, he ends up getting that rebound again. Cyrus naman! Doesn't work.
And now Los Baños shooting 8 out of 15 from three-point country.
JMO back to Reyes. And is fouled by Nevarez.
You know, with the way I look at Rizal is a second half team. If they don't have a shot, they'll try to pass. If they try to defend the inside lane and they're getting the rebounds kung nagbimintis to ng Los Baños.
This time si Oro di diskarte, balik ulit kay Damasco. Reyes kontra Navarez. Jade will drop it back. Extra pass to Damasco. Kasi work para kay Jeff. Here comes JB. Pero pubereno siya on that right side. Naantay pa nila si Lakap. Allen misses. Reyes gets away. Here comes the big guy. Garcia to the Fearless.
See? Slowly, Rizal is now just within 13. He's 7-0 run.
What a slow move coming from Rizal. As they cuts down the deficit, or they cut down the deficit back into 15, 60, 45.
Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga.
Okay, 7 minutes and 15 remaining. It's a 15-point lead na lang sa Los Baños. Dave?
So yung sinidiscuss mo, from 8 out of
6 out of 9.
6 out of 9.
Ngayon, 8 of 16 na.
8 of 16 na. So kumalahati
From
yung
3-point
percent.
range, ha?
Oo, bumaba na sa 50% yung 3-point field goals nitong LB. Na Reyes kontra Navarez again. Enteng mula sa ibabang may pito na naman tayo narinig.
So this will slow down the game. You know, Rizal ay kontra-tempo eh. Pag nakikita ng Los Baños na gusto bilisan ng laro, Rizal will try to hold their own on a slow-paced game.
Pero ang tinagandahan sa Rizal so far, ha, yung 7-2 nating run nila. If I'm not mistaken, 7-0 run.
Oo, and they're also shooting 80% as a team sa free throw line.
Garcia misses the first free throw of him.
He made the last 4. That's the first miss of Garcia. He's 4 of 5 tonight.
Importante yung mga free throws na yan para sa Rizal. Para maibaba sa 14 yung kalamangan. 46-60 and now in.
And Garcia now has a total of 8 points, 11 rebounds. Almost a double-double.
Kaya siyang top leader natin sa rebounds eh. Hendil Barres a long one.
So 3-point shot na naman yan. 9 of 17 na ang Los Baños.
He's the top rebounder of the conference. Laquindanao answers it as he found the angle. Navarez. Seguro Hinil, Yuan on the move. You wanna cut it in his left. And now the Fearless dancing with CJ. Jeff to Garcia. Ina-atake niya talaga sila.
At dahil penalty na ang Los Baños, 2 more free throws will be awarded for Garcia. And if he made these 2 free throws, he will have another double-double. Previous games, double-double lagi si Garcia in points and rebounds.
Pero syempre, ang naging outstanding performance to, it was Jade Vincent Reyes.
Oo. Pero ito, he's already got 8 points, 11 rebounds.
Kasama natin sa loob, etong si Garcia, Oro, Reyes, Damasco at Lakindanom kontra kay Galang.
Garcia now. Yeah, go ahead.
Hinil, Livorno, at etong si Yuan Hinil. Dalawang Hinil na magkasama.
And now Garcia, 7 of 8 free throws, 10 points, 11 rebounds.
So a double-double for Garcia. France Yuan. There go to Eric. Recycling that letter. As Hinil gets away from Reyes. Nabitin sa layup.
Good defense there by Garcia.
Jade, naagawan sa likod. Here comes those guys in LB. Eric John.
May halong swerte yun.
Lays it home. Pangalawa pa ulit. PJ to Yuan. The Hinil Brothers. The Sweet 5 and the Elvis Spirit. Here to side. The Bato Malaki covered court.
It's a 5-to now counter run there by Los Baños.
At dahil dyan, mapapa-timeout etong si Coach Rijay with 5 minutes and 9 seconds left, third quarter.
Ang sarap, grabe. Chika lang dumiskarte. Kung tumingin, so suave. New Cobra Rice, suaving energy.
Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa.
17-point lead. Ooh, what a filthy for Garcia.
Oh, and he now has 12 points, 11 rebounds. Talagang di mo bumibitaw tong batang to.
Eh, pag umilalim na si Garcia, mukhang malabo na mapigilan mo yun.
And look at him, good
DJ?
defensive stance. He changed the shot.
How many
12 rebounds.
rejections na naitatala dito coming from Garcia as Reyes. Oh, look at Garcia!
Oh my goodness.
13 rebounds so far in this game.
14 points.
Hinil will answer back.
So far, Garcia has just 2 blocks.
Pero yung rebounds talaga eh.
Oh.
So it really tells us how important for Coach Rijay having Garcia inside the floor for Rizal. Here comes Enteng Cabisote! Nagbintis pa.
Hindi na nga bumaba si Garcia eh.
Labing-limang puntos po yan, mga ka-Intertown. And LB is trying the best that they can. Madagdagan yan. Livorno back to Eric. EJ misses. Ends up with Cyrus Rejano. Stops on the dive.
Oh,
Nagulat
steal.
si Yuan doon sa pasa. And now Pitarge!
Great hang time.
Hands in the air. Sabit pa itong si Rejano.
Got a bit of foul, but the referees let it go.
PJ launches it. It doesn't work. Oh, look at Yuan trying to keep it alive. Pitarge ulit si Eric naman. Kaso, sabit na, Senny.
And since kanina pa sa penalty, Los Baños, Pitarge will take 2. So it looks like yung mga usual numbers ni Reyes is now giving in Garcia to shine, huh? Because he's been playing, he's been defending, at talagang kailangan yung kanyang big presence kung gusto maka-ignite ng major run ang Rizal.
They've been in this kind of situation, the same situation they've had with San Pablo. Their legendary game with San Pablo. But yet, nanaig yung triple efforts ng Rizal doon. Tignan natin kung mangyayari ulit pagdating sa LB naman ang katapat nila.
That's what they call the Rizal comeback.
3-pointer all the way.
Partner, they're now 9 out of 20. So less than 50% na sila.
Less than 50% na yung kanilang 3-point goals. Oro misses. Takwa nila Kindanom. Now back pass.
Well, they cannot challenge that because, or if the referee says, tingnan natin kung pabibigyan sila ng coach's challenge.
Uh-oh. Mukhang si Oro ang matatawagan doon ng warning.
Yeah, the coach's challenge will be allowed sa fourth quarter. So, hindi sila pinagbigyan ng coach's challenge.
That is a 12-point lead now. Almanza. Oh, stolen by Pitargue. It's the fearless running. Back to the Pitargue na nando sa ibabaw. And now Davis to Eric! He almost slammed it for LB.
Could have been a dunk, pero may sumabit. And more importantly, if that shot was made, it will brought the house down.
Before it was a cold-like person, an ice-cold Eric Janhinil. Pero ito mukhang gusto na rin sumali sa bastusan.
Dahil si Garcia, kanina pa siya minamama sa rebounds. Kasi kabantayan ni si Garcia. Finally scored his first basket in the second half.
We can't deny it. Eric Janhinil is one of our top scoring leaders in our conference.
So far, he only has 5 points. 5 from his average of 24 a game.
This guy is averaging 20-plus points in a single game.
Actually, 24.
Oro will find Lakindanom. Splitting 2 defenders again, pero this time hindi niya makakompleto yung 3-point play.
At ganun din si Reyes. He's about to check in. He's also a top scorer for Rizal. Kaya sinabi mo. He's averaging close to 21 points per game.
26-point performance
26.
siya nung huli.
Oh, yung huli. Pero nung first game niya, he's only scored 19. That's an average of close to 24.
Well, on the side of LB, assist leaders natin nandiyan si Cyrus Jeff Rejano. JB Rejano is on the steal. Almanza puts it up. Davis misses. Oh, he tips it away as Eric wide open. No! Pati pang may putback doon itong si Livorno. Yuan intercepting that pass. Talagang hindi po pwedeng slow pass ka eh. Pagdating sa Los Baños, mahuhulihan ka.
Lalo na ganun ka bibilis sa mga bata.
Less than a minute and a half. Reyes to Damasco.
It's a foul from 3-point country.
At sa ulo, tumama yung kamay nitong si Almanza. Napakamot na lang si Coach Tick eh. Oh, look at Coach Tick, boyless.
So Coach Tech will be called for a warning for a statement to call.
Non-call here. Muli po. Kuya Dave sa Pinoso kasama si Kuya Ryan Pajaro sa nalalabing 75 seconds netong third quarter of action natin.
At meron pa tayong 10 minutes of playing time sa fourth quarter. So right now, for Rizal, they have a good first half, 80%, but in the second half, medyo bumabang free throw shooting nila. They have now a total of 14 out of 20. They missed 6 free throws on the last quarter.
And in. Back to his bro. Nice Kasana, but Eric will find the open. Turianos.
They live and die from three-point country, that's for sure.
Turianos already burned 3-point shots.
And as a team, Los Baños, they shot 10 of 21.
Same spot yun eh. Ito pa isa! Kaso Mentes para kay Yuan. Reyes. Kontra kay Eric. Jade puts it up. Left-handed finish is a miss. Yuan with a rebound. Here comes Senil. Di na maabutan, Eric.
At pumunta siya sa stage. Nakipagkain hello sa mga double cuts niya.
Grabe, dami ng tao dito sa Batang
Overflow crowd. And thank you so much.
1,000 na ata tayo mahigit eh.
Right. At meron pa sa labas na nanonood.
1,000 plus attendees natin as JMO with a sidestep. We'll try with emergency pass. There's someone asking mula sa labas. Oro for 3. Huli na naman. Oro revives it. Back pass to Edeng.
It's a foul. It's a foul.
Uh-oh, Damasco and Debornio. Ayun na naman, no?
Oo, kiskisa na naman.
Kiskisa na naman. Nagbuhol na naman sila.
That's a good pass, and the foul was whistled by the ref exactly 0 on the shot clock.
Parang sinulit game nga ito, Kuya Ryan.
Yeah.
Nagbubuhol na nagbubuhol. Yung mga players natin, after they miss the shot, sa rebound talaga nagkakagit-gitan eh.
Rizal closest lead partner is 8, but from then, na-maintain na to ng Los Baños. 6 seconds.
Well, if you can notice, one great rivalry talaga ng Los Baños, etong si Jefferson Damasco. Kasi way back the NBTC, yung road nila sa regionals, si Jefferson Damasco ang tumapos ng laban na yun with a buzzer-beating layup.
At ito, tapos na tayo sa third quarter.
Mamaya, pag-usapan natin yan. As we are heading now to our fourth and final quarter, magbabalik po ang Laguna Intertown 2025.
Bola bola is life, dapat bola 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 is life, dapat bola 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 is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake, dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na linlang mga kalaban na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga. Velvet League basketball, liga 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola.
This is going to be our fourth and final quarter of action. Natin pa rin po sa atin ang Velvet Media Incorporated, the official broadcasting partner of the Laguna Velvet Intertown. Kasama pa rin natin ang ating sports commissioner, Cap JJ Maghirang, together with his wife, Ma'am May Evelyn. Magandang gabi po. Live tayo sa Batong Malaki Covered Court. Dave Saprenoso po, together with Kuya Ryan Pajaro. Bastos block yun coming from Jeff Damasco.
And of course, Jeff Damasco kasama niya sa Rizal, si Reyes. We also have Oro, Montserrat, and Laquindano.
Sa LB naman, we have their two Rejanos, Henil, two Henil, at etong silang. Ito yung original na SSA. And we've talking about earlier, Jefferson Damasco, yung laban nila ng Mamshis. It's a buzzer beating layup coming from Jeff Damasco. Kaya medyo talagang namuho yung pangarap nila nung gabi na yun because they thought they're gonna battle the regional qualifiers nun sa NBTC.
In the meantime, Lockup scored a basket for Los Baños.
Oh, the Fearless! Trying to test Allen. Itinayo siya ni Allen after that collision. JB with a beauty.
So the score now is 75-62.
This time, JMO. Back to Laquindano. Hinahanap nila sa likod. JMO for 3. Malakas ulit. Montserrat. Back to Damasco. We'll try to find Laquindano. JMO again.
Very important three-point shot. Just like that, the lead is chopped down to 10.
Finally, para kay Josh Matioro. That three-pointer hatid po sa atin ng AG Sports Apparel, the official clothing partner of the Velvet Media Productions. Gandang topic naman nun, coming from Lacap.
Great follow-up.
Reyes. He's locating Montserrat.
Oh,
JB again, all the way to the top. And just like that, mukhang nakikipag-fish siya dun sa mga fans ng Rizal na nandito ngayon.
Ang mga sinasabi niya, gun fishing na kayo.
Time out muna tayo, Coach RJ Duldulao. 16-point lead.
Alright, 8 minutes and 11 remaining. Makakabalik pa kayang Rizal? They are down by 11. 16 rather. 65-81.
That is 81-65. Kinil. PJ will ask for it. 5 to shoot. Rejano cross-court pass to you. 1, 2 to go.
There is a shot clock violation.
Uh-oh. Look at Allen Lacap. Saka gustuhan niyang wag na magkaroon ng may tension with those players. He excused himself eh. Sabi niya, Rep, excuse lang po. Dadaan.
Ayan, excuse lang talaga with a steal.
Speaking of excuse, there's the steal. And a block from Reyes.
With Garcia and Reyes around, let's see if Rizal can come back from the 16-point deficit. We are 7 minutes and 30 remaining before we end the game.
Well, isang buong quarter yung lumipas, Kuya Ryan, hindi bumaba sa double digit yung kalamangan na yan.
Kumbaga meron laging Fireman's Cup ang Los Baños.
Galang. Isam Rejano, didiskarte sa kaliwa. Balik sa kapatid. Nope. Ooh, what a pass coming from PJ.
Great presence of mind for Lacap. He expected that pass and he quickly scored.
Nice assist on PJ Galang.
And there's going to be a foul.
Damasco. Reyes. Shot clock at 9. Oro pulls it up. He saves the letter, 14 to shoot. Here comes the fearless Leo Basere.
Reminds me of Meneses.
JB. And I was Allen, almost lost the possession. 10 to shoot, lock up. Back to JB. 7 to shoot for him.
How about that? How about that? What a time to explode. They already hit the last two three-pointers.
Turianos are shooting so far.
Okay, they are now 12 of 26.
But all of those 12 attempts na nakapasok, 5 or 6 doon galing sa mga Rehano.
And this is a bad sign now for Los Baños. One of the players is injured.
Allen is lying on the floor.
I think it's a case of cramps because he played the whole third quarter.
Yung playing time niya, no, kahit nagkaroon siya ng medyo mainit na sitwasyon kanina kay Garcia, hindi siya pinalta ni Coach Tech.
It's because alam nila na babalik at babalik ang Rizal. And if you remove Lakap on that stretch, eh baka biglang pumutok ang opensa ng Rizal.
Well, ayan, alam ni Coach Tech how really reliable etong si Allen Lakap sa depensa.
You know, without those 12 main 3-point shots, that's minus 36 for Los Baños. So they will, what will happen? They will only score 50.
That's right. So far, it is a big 17-point lead on the side of those guys on white. Let us see. As PJ, back to JB. Hinahanap niya si Henil from the corner. Leo Obra. Nakuha pabalik ni Yuan. Cyrus naman. Wala pa rin.
They're now 13 of 29.
Damasco puts it up.
Medyo unti-unti nawala ng aggressiveness dito ang Rizal. Baka there's what we call the saying sa Abatas, prudence is the better part of valor.
7 to shoot. Los Baños, JB again! Back to back na para kay JB Rehano!
Look at this, they're shooting 14 out of 30.
Matindi talaga, Doc. 5 3-point shots na eh. And again, they keep on rejecting all those axes coming from Rizal. And they 4 minutes and 30 seconds away for a 3-0 standing. 8 to shoot. Cyrus, jumper, Esker!
Partner, Los Baños is just 9 points away for the century mark.
May century mark para tayong aabutan ngayong araw, ha? Garcia, di mo na mapipigilan yun.
Consolation for Garcia, 16 points, 15 rebounds.
This guy is really a stunning guy for Rizal. Having that double-double performance. JB, danlin lang pa.
It's a traveling.
That is a clear traveling on side of JB Rehano.
But despite the performance of Garcia, wala na siyang katulong. Reyes, not his usual self. He's only scored 5 points tonight.
Etong si Cyrus Rehano, naglalaro yan sa LBTL, Galian, sa atin, sa Season 5.
Sa Velvet D-League. By the way, Velvet D-League, babalik this Saturday and Sunday. Of course, kasama ni Steve Spinoso. At syempre, ang nagbabalik na si Justin Almeida.
Oh, Justin will be there.
Yeah.
Na-miss ko nga yung tatlo tayo. Siguro finals, no?
Finals siguro. Pero Saturday kasi I have other league to cover.
Pitarge. Mukhang matagal ipinahinga ni Coach Ray si Pitarge. Given the fact that Pitarge is a small but a speedy player for Rizal, halos hindi na nagamit siya nung
maybe in the next game he will be
utilized.
Well, for Los Baños Spartan, nakikita ko dito yung kanilang savvy, yung kanilang youth, at yung kanilang outside shooting. Now they shoot 14 of 31 from 3-point country. That's 42 points plus
Well, they've been teams for how many years? So no wonder bakit ganyan yung sistema ng LB. They are playing like, you know, certain children playing games.
At syempre, binabati ko lang yung former venue announcer ng MPBL, si Tops, Christopher Juliano. Was born here in Los Baños, Laguna. Ngayon, nasa Germany na siya as a registered nurse.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. In and out on the triple. Now here comes LB as Montauk will find Hineo.
And that takes cake. That takes the cake. And I see some of the fans are now leaving the venue. I think this game is ready for Los Baños.
Medyo mahaba-haba yung hahabulin. 22 puntos.
At it's very hard to choose kung sino player of the game kasi maraming gumawa dito sa Los Baños.
Los Baños eh. Pero hindi natin talaga pwedeng malimutan. Yung mga 3-point shots, yun yung nagpalayo eh. Especially coming from those two Rijanos.
Oo. Biro mo, from the 3-point shots, that's plus 42 points. 42 of the 93 points coming from the 3-point bombs of Los Baños.
Inulan sila ng 3-point shots dito sa loob ng batong malaki covered court. Pero again ha, isa sa mga abangan natin na nagkakaisang Los Baños will battle against San Pablo. Doon sa Cabuyao sila magpapangabot.
Boy. Shot clock violation and of course, at magbabalik po ako sa Velvet South here in Laguna Velvet probably by June kasi may mga major leagues ako katulad ng NDBL, Phil Oil, others at gayon din yung finals ng NCIAA. Pagbalik ko, hopefully, magko-cover tayo for the finals, ha?
Hopefully, ha, dahil baka di umabot ng junior finals, pero hopefully magkaroon ng adjustment tayo sa schedule para makaabot naman si Kuya Ryan, no?
Yeah.
Dahil panigurado, mamimiss ka ng mga fans sa Laguna, yung boses mo. Lalo
by the way, yours truly at si Dave, kaming dalawa, ay mag-interview ng player of the game. By the way, this last 2 minutes, hatid sa inyo ng Blue Steel Corporation.
And of course, aside from Blue Steel Enterprise, the Velvet Media Incorporated, our official broadcasting partner. Muli po, binabati namin Cap JJ Maghirang, kasama ang buong persa ng Velvet Media Productions. Mukhang naselyuhan na to ng LB.
Pero for these 3 games, ang pinaka-highlight sa akin na partner, yung second game. Ang ganda talaga yung laban.
That killer dagger from the Trigger Kid.
From Castillo, the best player, really puts the heart of San Pablo on the downturn. Pero yung 3-point shot ng San Pablo dun sa corner, talagang napasigaw ako dun sa tuwa. Pagbihira yun.
Well, we know already that Justin Dorioso is, you know, a shooting guard, a well-known shooting guard. Taon na. Baga, I've known him for 3 to 4 years now. And talaga namang malaking in-improve ni Nioch kasi tumangkad siya eh.
Alam mo, nagbibiroan din kami ni Boss JJ. Kung sakasakali ang Rizal Laguna ay magpa-finals, pwede kaya tayo sa sa pinakamalaking Coliseum ng Laguna?
Well,
yung
we were working on that. Let us see, no? Dahil syempre binabati ko nga pala ha. And congratulations sa Team Kalambago. Kay Mayor Ross Rizal, Vice Mayor Toti Lazaro, and of course, Kongcha Hernandez sa ating mga buting konsel ng bayan na nanalo.
Siyempre, batiin na natin yung gobernador ng buong Laguna, Governor-elect Sol Aragones, former ABS-CBN reporter.
She is from San Pablo.
Kaya pala.
Minahal talaga siya ng San Pablo.
Oo nga. Alright, basket there by Los Baños, and I think that's it. Blanco. A minute remaining, 95-71. Garbage points na lang yan, partner. Nakita mo naman si Blanco kay garbage points. Parang nagpapakamatay talaga. Blanco scored the last 4 points, grabbed the last 2 rebounds, and a big smile on his face.
24 matamis yan eh, Kuya Ryan.
Oo.
45 seconds left. Mga puro bench players na
gusto nila mag-100 eh. Bakit hindi? 3 puntos na lang. 97-71.
3 points away from a century mark here.
Sabi ni Coach, pag 90, pag 100, kota na, tama na. And I think the coach says, that's it. The game is over.
So LB is still in an undefeated standing after they take this game against the Rizal Laguna. What a ball game today.
99-71.
Sila na ang nangunguna sa ating
team standings.
Pangalawa ang Rizal. Pumapangatlo ang Bagong Kabuyaw. At siyempre, nasa pang-apat, parehas 1-2, San Pedro at San Pablo.
And of course, Dave Espinosa and yours truly, Ryan Paro, will wrap things baby up with the interview as we close the curtains for tonight's coverage of your Velvet Laguna Cup 2025.
Babalik po tayo, mga ka-Velvet.
Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga, Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing. Na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola is life. Dapat bola is life. Dapat bola is life. Dapat bola is life. Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, Liga.
And furious Los Baños are victorious, are in jubilation. And of course, si Cyrus Tejano, ating play game. Cyrus, yung third quarter run, nagpaulan kayo ng 14 3-point shots. Anong sinabi sa'yo na coach na i-maintain ito hanggang sa dulo?
Alagaan lang po namin yung kalamangan at gawin lang namin yung mga pinapagawa ng coaches namin. Susunod lang po namin yon.
Dave, may tanong ka kay Cyrus.
Ano pa?
Dave, may tanong ka kay Cyrus.
Well, Cyrus, isa ka sa mga pinakamabibilis and you are part of the top scoring top steal leaders natin. Grabe, anak ka talaga ni Lupin. Ano masasabi mo sa performance mo ngayong araw?
Grabe po. Nagpapasalamat po ako, Lord, at binigyan ako ng magandang mentality sa ngayong game. Ano ba naman tanong gugulo?
And of course, kung gaano kayo kasaya ang Los Baños at maraming salamat sa hospitality. Pagkakataon mo na, Cyrus, na magpasalamat po, Mate. Go!
Pasalamat, Mate.
Shoutout po sa family ko nanood, sa nanay tatay ko, sa mga kapatid ko. Thank you din po sa sumuporta sa mga Team LB at sa susuporta po sa mga aming games. Thank you din po sa team namin, saka sa mga coaches namin. Saka sa LBDL, saka sa buong LB Pride. Yun lamang po. Amen.
Cyrus Tejano, our favorite game. Congratulations. Congratulations. Alright, folks. It has been a wonderful 3 games na nakasama ko si Dave for the very first time. Actually, this is my second provincial assignment ng broadcast dito mula sa Dasmariñas at ngayon nandito ako sa Los Baños. Dave, what are your assessments for these 3 games? Lalo na, dikit yung huling laban natin kanina sa San Pablo kontra, ano ba?
Kabuyaw. Pero yan, kay Ryan, natutuwa lang ako kasi LB again is really, you know, Los Baños naman, talagang power of friendship yung pinapakita nila eh. And, you know, hanggang ngayon, ramdam natin yan. And congratulations sa Los Baños. Palit peso wala kami. Ayan again, our best player, Cyrus Rehano. Natuwa lang talaga ako kasi umarap ako doon. Akala ko doon tayo magkakamera. Pero kay Ryan, grabe itong performance nato. Grabe itong games natin. Abangan ninyo ulit kami sa mga susunod dating schedules on our Velvet South Basketball. Once again, Dave Sapinoso po kasama si Kuya Ryan Paharo.
And of course, in behalf of the men and women ng Velvet Media Incorporated, in behalf of Boss JJ Maghira, muli ako po si Ryan para saying sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This is your Velvet Laguna Cup 2025 from Los Baños, Laguna. Para sa Velvet Media Incorporated, maraming salamat Laguna. Good night. And to God be the glory.
Trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga.